All right, guys, we made it to the river after a lot of bullshit. Let's see. Motor wasn't wanting to run. We got the motor running. It was just hadn't started it in a while, I guess. Then the pull string busted off. I threw it, thought it was gonna land in the boat, went in the water. The baseball star couldn't catch it.
I didn't even know you threw it, and I think I lost a knife by diving for it, honestly.
Oh, that was Cheyenne's knife. Good thing you always pack an extra knife, and I've got pliers on, or a multi-tool on me. So right now what he's doing is he's got the main line on. So now pick out one of your set lines.
I already did.
All right.
I'm cheesed. All right, I got it.
Now this is what you do. What I like to do is I like to see, okay, it's about 2 inches, 1.5 to 2 inches from where the weight is. Mark that spot, hold it. So grab this and twist it, see? And grab the main line and pull it through. Then you get your clip. These clips are a lifesaver. If not, you can just tie it directly onto right there, but I like the clips. And you can just clip it onto that loop. Boom. So now it's right there. Then all you gotta do is bait that main hook, bait the hook, drop it down and tie it off. So Josh, if you wanna bait it, tie it off and cut the main line. All right. The bait we're using today is chicken liver. When it comes to catfishing, I mean, it's always shrimp or chicken liver. We're gonna tag the end of this branch right here so we know this branch has one on it. And so we can find it tomorrow when we come back. There's a big wasp nest.
All right, Jesus. Oh, fuck.
I smacked it with the fucking camera. Fuck! Oh!
Fuck it, Joey.
Push! Push! Don't even! We'll remember it! We'll remember it!
Oh my god!
Push! Use that to push it! Don't! Oh, he's in the water, he's dying! We're fighting back! Fuck! Oh! Oh, why would you do that? Just hit the ground! God damn!
Or I guess I'm coming.
I hope not.
Back to get it.
This is someone else's left line. You could tell it was left here a while ago because it was white and or camo, and now it's just completely tar black. All right, guys, always cut your lines when you're done. Always mark them too. This one isn't even marked. I don't know if he came back and took the marker down or what. Just clean up after yourself. You guys barely missed it, but it got, okay, the whole battery's underwater. It got to the point where I didn't even try to drive it onto the trailer. I literally jumped out and pulled it onto the trailer. So, one of the sketchiest things I've ever done. So what actually happened is, getting it off the trailer, I think, we were dropping it back and forth, trying to knock it off, and it knocked off the patch that I had on there. So we almost died. No big deal. I don't think we would have died. What do you think, though? Think we would have just swam ashore, really pissed off?
Probably, especially you.
Into day 1, day 2, we're gonna pull them in. What is up, guys? All right, so this right here is the branch that we tied our first line to, and the branch that it's actually tied onto is gone. Second line, Josh is going in for the snag. This is the one where we got attacked by wasps.
Yep.
What?
Bring
it. Next line, hopefully this one's got anything. Starting to kill my buzz a little bit.
Oh shit. My hair is pretty bad.
Next freaking line. Let's hope for this one. Oh no.
I don't know how to
Oh no. Oh no. I'm okay. That hurt a little bit.
Nothing.
Next line.
Nothing.
Nothing?
No. Stop. Oh, there's something.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh, this is.
Another nice branch fish. Another blank. Anything? Another blank. See it?
You ready?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's fighting back. Oh shit!
Oh, Josh just got his new PB catfish.
Never mind.
Yeah, it's not, there's nothing on it. Last line.
Nothing.
Well, that day on the river absolutely sucked. Josh lost what would have been his PB catfish. Yeah, caught some panfish. It's no big deal. Right now we're headed back to the spot where I did my bluegill catch and cook to land Josh's PB bluegill. So let's go ahead and get over to the pond.
Let's be on that line. Will I cross that line? Right in the sky with me. It calls me. No one knows. Got one. First of the day, boys. Let's go on the Dark Demon. Oh. It's not big.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, this, yeah. Oh, ugly stick coming back, baby.
Snaps the line.
Yeah,
Boy's
baby.
too hyped.
Wow! Why would you squeeze it?
Green-eared sunfish. First catch of the day by Josh.
My hook's Oh, oh. Oh, Joey. Oh. Foul hook something. Whoa. Oh my.
Hopefully you got that.
Well, we can see that. I don't want, like, here. I'm gonna reel my other one in. Jesus. Have you seen, is that the ones that you were catching?
Yeah.
Oh, holy.
New PB.
What is that? That's
Almost
a
a pound.
Jesus. I gotta get a picture. Oh yeah. Oh. Ow, bitch. Hope you guys see that. Yeah, pretty fish. Bye. Oh shit. It's not. He's got a little kick.
Yeah. Bye-bye, buddy.
Oh, damn. All that for that. They fight hard.